It's a tutorial about changing the layer style. First of all, I will unlock the layer, then go to the layer and pick up the layer style here. I will choose the pattern overlay for making the layer style. So these are the different options. As you can see here, we can scale it and make it minimize. We can increase or decrease the opacity of it. Make a linear light, in light, and hard mix. So hard light here, opacity, scale, create a new style of the layer. So make it occur that